All right, guys, so we're going to be jumping into some new code here. This is part of Adventure 3 in the book Adventures in Minecraft, and this is just a good starting point. We're going to dabble in the book a little bit, and then we're going to expand into some other cool ideas and pull some resources from the internet. But in this one, we're going to talk about how can we start to write code to manipulate blocks. So the first thing that we want to do is just be able to see how we can actually code a block into our Minecraft world. And so I already have this pulled up. This comes from Adventure 3 in the book. We are going to have our typical import mcpi.minecraft as Minecraft, and then our import mcpi.block is block. What this is doing is importing the modules that we need. And so we're getting our Minecraft module and we're getting our block module. So our block module is going to allow us to be able to reference the block IDs from the Minecraft world, and we can pull that into our code. And then we have our regular here, our MC equals minecraft.minecraft.create. This is how we connect to the game. And then we're going to set our variable, and we got the POS, our position for the MC player dot get tile position with the two parentheses. And we've used this in our previous classes and lessons, and so this is going to get the X, Y, and Z coordinates of our character. Now this is the new line right here, this MC.setBlock. All right, and what we have in here is that we're going to take our position, our X position, and we're going to go ahead 3 spaces ahead on our X. We're going to keep our Y coordinate the same, so that's just position.y, and our Z coordinate the same, position.z. And we're going to add block.stone.id. Now this can be, instead of stone, any kind of Minecraft, and there's tons of resources online. You can find all the different kind of blocks that you want to import. You could simply just replace this out with the type of stone that you want. But for now, we're going to use stone. So what's going to happen is going to get our position, and then in 3 blocks ahead on our X coordinate, it's going to add a stone block. All right, so if I look at my game here, I've got nothing around me. I just got my home from our teleport challenge. Okay. Sorry, you can't see that. Okay, so if you look here at my game arena, you can see that I've got nothing around me here. All right, and so I'll pan through just my arena from our teleport arena challenge over here with my house. It kicks you out of the field. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and run my code. And when I run it, it's going to add a stone block on my X coordinates 3 blocks ahead. There it is. Okay, so it just coded and very easily added 1 block. And I can go through over here and just get rid of that because I don't need it in my arena. And that is as simple as you can get in terms of learning how to add a block to your Minecraft world. So go ahead, try that code out, manipulate, try adding different types of blocks, and when you're ready, let's move into the next challenge.